I'm going to show you how to disable facial verification on Binance. This is not about disabling KYC or identity verification, facial verification, because you cannot fully disable that, but you can disable it as a quick sign-in method if you have Face ID. So to turn it off, you want to simply click on the top left on the three horizontal lines, and then click on your profile. Now you want to click on security. And in this list, you want to find the face login or face verification. You can expand it by pressing the arrow at the bottom. And if there is a green check mark next to it, you can basically click on it to disable it. And then simply just click on the delete icon on the right side and confirm the deletion. You might be asked to enter your password again or do a two-factor authentication to confirm this. And once you do that, the Face ID verification should be removed. And this should basically stop the app from using your face to log in by verifying the facial details. But it doesn't remove KYC facial data that is required by Binance. That's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.